In this edition of Update Bowling Green, we will discuss the upcoming FEMA deadline. Bowling Green saw its worst weather day in recent history during the December 11th tornadoes that claimed lives and damaged or destroyed many homes and businesses, but brighter days are ahead. The deadline to register for FEMA assistance has been extended to March 14, 2022. Even if you believe you have what you need to rebuild, it's vital to register for assistance in the event of an unforeseen need later. Only those registered for assistance will be able to receive FEMA help. You can register through disasterassistance.gov or through the FEMA mobile app or by calling FEMA at 1-800-621-3362. FEMA assistance is available only to those affected by the December 11th storm damage. If you received a denial letter from FEMA, carefully read the letter, and if you have any questions, go directly to the FEMA Center in Greenwood Mall for assistance. Sometimes denial letters are sent as the result of missing information or some other easily corrected issue. Residents who don't need FEMA help can always turn down what they are offered. You're watching Update Bowling Green.